Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations. Today I am going to show you an update of what I'm doing with the baby blanket. And I have all the appliques on. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do some hand embroidering on it. But let me show you what I've got so far. So let's go over here to the table, okay? Okay, I'm starting at the top, working my way down. I don't think I can get back far enough to get the whole thing on there, but just to give you an idea, there you go. Hopefully that's a good enough shot. And like I said, I'm going to do some embroidery. So what I want to do is I want to give the rabbits some eyes. And I did the blanket stitch. I'm going to get a little close here so you can see that. And this is the variegated thread. I did this is actually what I'm using this for is going to be the bottom of leaves, because I'm going to put some stems out of here for flowers. And then these little hearts here. This is the satin stitch around the hearts and the leaves. I'll come over here to the flowers. Don't want to move it too fast and make you dizzy. Here's the stem, the leaves, and the flower itself. This flower actually looks like it's got a face on it. It looks like an eye, which is closed, an eye open, and then a little bit of tongue sticking out of a mouth with a gigantic nose. And then this flower over here also. And then for these birds up here, I did the blanket stitch, but you can see on the wings I did the satin stitch. And then I used the multi-rickrack for the thing they're standing on, the wire or whatever you want to call it. And then this is a little bird, so I'll put a little beak on it. And then I made these two little birds up here like lovebirds. And then I put hearts up here. And now, because this fabric, I'm going to pull this down now so I can show you, because I left it on here just to show you. So when I did this satin stitch, now it was only around the satin stitch, I put a stabilizer, here you go, which is just, this is a two-piece. I'm going to see if I can easily rip that so you can see it. See, it comes off really easy. Just hold your finger down. I hold my finger on the stitching and then just comes off. See. Okay. So that's easy enough. Is after I get done doing all of my embroidery, I will come back and then I'll show you the embroidery that I've done in the next video with this bird quilt. Got to get it finished because it's going to Australia. Till next time, bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.